Hi, my name's Chloe and I just wanted to share my experience of working with Dr. Raquel for my skin. I struggled with acne for 20 years and finally got to grips with it and had clear skin, but I was left with really bad scarring, in my opinion, sort of all around my cheeks, my jawline. I found it was quite aging, and I'd also lost quite a lot of the condition of my skin as well, I think because of all the chemical treatments that I'd gone through in the past and things like that. And I always said if I could get acne free that I would then treat the scars and deal with those. But I didn't know where to start. And thank goodness that I connected with Dr. Raquel, because as soon as I went to the clinic and I met her and I heard her knowledge and her experience and saw the setup there, I just knew that she was the safe pair of hands that I'd been looking for really when it came to my skin. So we actually started on a course of 6 treatments on the dermaneedling. We did have to go quite deep because the scars are quite deep. But I would say it was such a positive experience. She's so careful with the way that she works with you, and so sort of fastidious about sort of you and how you're doing through the treatment, and being so careful with everything. We used the numbing cream and stuff. It was painless. And within 2 or 3 sessions, I could really start to see the difference in that my skin was plumping up. We dealt with the fine lines and wrinkles, but actually the more shallower scars really started to fill out. So I was really pleased with that. But being Dr. Raquel and being as professional as she is, she said, I think I've got one more thing we could try for the deeper scars, because I did have some really deep ones down here. So we actually did the hyaluronic acid injections straight into the scar tissue that really helps plump them up from the inside out. And it's only been 2 weeks and people are commenting. My mum, after about 5 days, caught me in the light and was like, oh my God, your skin looks amazing. And I'm so pleased, because if it wasn't for her, you know, I still would have that confidence. I'd still be the girl who struggled for 20 years with acne. And I feel like, thanks to Dr. Raquel, after 20 years of acne and 30 years of dealing with pigmentation and scarring that's been left behind, I feel like I can finally put that behind me. So I'm very grateful to know her and the way that she works. And I would just say, you know, if you're watching this and thinking about taking action on your skin, please do. You'd be in the safest hands with her, and I can't recommend her enough.